Hi everyone, this is EMP, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes. And here's the usual TEC maps, aka ionospheric capacitance or charging maps. And this is on October the 14th, and as you can see, we definitely have a massive increase in ionospheric charging, um, especially across the equatorial regions. India, China, all the white-red areas. I'm mainly going to focus on this leading up to the earthquakes on the 17th of October, where we had magnitude 5.9 China at 7:14 Universal Time, and Papua New Guinea at magnitude 6.8 at 6:14 Universal Time. And with that massive increase in ionospheric capacitance, you can see here's the gamma rays at China's neutron monitor, where you see this huge neutron spike coinciding at pretty much the exact same time as that interval of ionospheric capacitance, or 100, and they usually happen. And moving on to the 15th of October, another massive interval of charging or capacitance. And then on the 16th, it's tapering down a little bit, but this is still a hell of a lot of activity. And just a quick refresher of the model that I use. Capacitor model is an analogy with a plasma lamp, where the outer glass sphere here would be comparable to the ionosphere, and the interior sphere here would be the ground of the Earth, and in between you would have the neutron spikes or dielectric discharges, which you can simply think as cosmic or galactic lightning. Now, there also was a pretty big quake swarm in Greece and the surrounding area the last few days, and peaked at 1901 Universal Time yesterday on the 16th. Here we're looking at Belgium's neutron monitor, and you can see that yesterday on the 16th, neutron density or discharging started ramping up like crazy just before that about an hour before that earthquake right here. And this is the KP index on the bottom showing an increase in geomagnetic activity. And you can see it's going up, up, up. And then on the 17th, the data's gone kind of into gibberish, but definitely a lot of that. That's another signature sign I've noticed, is that we're getting, when this happens, the neutron monitor is very sensitive and they have trouble even keeping the data up, but that's pretty much guaranteed. We're getting a hell of a lot of electrical ionospheric activity. And looking at Belgium's magnetometer, you can see just as that earthquake happened, pretty much right at the same time, magnetic activity shoots straight up and keeps going till the end of the day there. Now, here we're looking at gamma ray activity from October the 15th to the 16th, and you can see it's not nearly as high as that huge spike on the 14th of October, but we still got elevated activity, and here again on the 16th. here we're looking at China's neutron monitor again. Now this would actually be cosmic rays, but it's all electrical. It's all dielectric discharging. But anyways, slightly less energetic than the gamma rays. Remember, gamma rays are right at the top. Cosmic rays are just below that. So still incredible amount of energy. And the neutron count here on October the 17th, just as those earthquakes started to happen, the neutron count hits 100 and cleared 167,000. So that's extremely elevated there. And so that was just after 0600, and that's when those earthquakes happened. Just after that, 614 for PNG and 714 for China. And then you can see here at Philippines magnetometer. I'm using the closest magnetometers that are available at the time. All of the magnetometers in China are still down, no data at all available, but I'll post it when it becomes available. But you can see the effects here are felt a long ways away, peaking at approximately 0500. And we're definitely getting neutron activity or dielectric discharges at that time. And then also Japan. You can see just about an hour before those quakes dropped, got a big ramp up in magnetic disturbances there as well. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show you for now. And this is EMP, electromagnetic precursors for earthquakes. Thanks for watching, folks. Take care.